Okay, craziness of the day. If you haven't seen these things, these are from Make Your Own Sonic Screwdriver from Underground, Doctor Who Underground. It's a power unit. Well, these power units go dead. So trying to figure out how to get this out. You can unscrew the lid, and then there's holes here. So you would take a paper clip and use that through the holes. So I'm going to try to set this up to show you how to do one of these. Okay, so let me put this on pause. Okay, here it goes. Well, this is my epic fail. If you see, it is coming out, but it takes a little while to get it out. I will probably do this after the video is gone, but that's how you do it. It does come out, but it really. There's no video in this, but I did manage to get 2 of those out of this using the same process. Because if you put it through here, see, or at least try to trip it out, it has no connections with this. So I am going to turn this off. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching.